Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play two players on eFootball. First, make sure your Xbox console is ready and connected to your television. Then, connect both of your Xbox controllers. You can do this wirelessly by pairing them, or by using a USB cable for a direct connection. Once connected, assign a user profile to the first controller and either another profile or a guest account to the second controller. This ensures both players are recognized by the system. Next, once you are in the eFootball main menu, look for the Authentic Match option, usually located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on this to proceed. Within the Authentic Match section, you will find Trial Match. This is the specific mode designed for local multiplayer, allowing up to 4 players to join in on the fun right there on your couch. Now you'll be on the Select Side screen. Here, you can assign each of your 2 controllers to either the home or away team. Player 1 will typically be assigned to the home team by default. Then, select your favorite authentic football clubs for both players. You can also adjust match settings like difficulty or game length before moving forward. Take your time to pick the perfect teams for an exciting match. Finally, once you have assigned your controllers, chosen your teams, and adjusted any desired match settings, you are ready to kick off. Simply confirm your selections to begin the game. Both you and your friend will now be able to control your chosen teams in an exciting local versus match. Have a fantastic time competing and enjoying eFootball together on your Xbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.